to have Jerry back.
Yeah.
Leading the charge.
Right, he's too young to be geriatric. Well, we've got the circus set up here with us today. This is National Train Day across the nation, and we're in Tampa at the Amtrak station. And we've set up to run our trains here. This is May of 2019. And we're expecting a train to come in at 12:37. It'll be the one that goes down to Miami. And we like to do this every year to display trains for the kids. And it's a pretty big train event down here. We're just getting set up. It's early, and it's a really nice day. We've got the farm set up and the circus set up, as I said. Larry's brought his Amtrak train, and I'm running my Southern train right now. Down here at the airport. And we are the Suncoast American Flyer enthusiasts here at the Suncoast area of Florida, Tampa and north.